Install a connected roller shutter switch. With the connected roller shutter switch and the Home Plus Control app, you can control each shutter from your smartphone. You can control your shutters using voice control via voice assistants such as Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa. Say, "Siri, open the shutters," or "OK Google, close the shutters," or "Alexa, open the shutters." We'll show you how to install a connected roller shutter switch. The connected roller shutter switch requires prior installation of the starter pack so it can control its electrical appliances locally or remotely via the Home Plus Control app. The connected roller shutter switch is supplied with a faceplate. To install this connected roller shutter switch, you need a 1-gang flush mounting box 40 mm deep, 1.5 square mm electrical wires, and your tools. For safety reasons and to ensure optimum installation, it is vital to cut off the power at the main switch. The connected roller shutter switch is flush mounted in a 1-gang box 40 mm deep. It can replace an existing switch and is compatible with all wired motors with electronic or mechanical end stop. Connect the wires to the terminals. The up wire, down wire, phase wire, and neutral wire. Mount the connected roller shutter switch in its flush mounting box. Once you have finished the installation by adding the other connected wired products, turn the power back on. The connected roller shutter switch LED lights up red. To finish the installation, you should configure products to work together via the HomeAway wireless master switch supplied in the starter pack. To install wired products and configure the connected installation, please refer to the other available tutorials. All products are available in Valena Life and Valena Allure finishes.